My board is visible to you all.
Yes, ma'am, your board is visible.
No, ma'am.
Viva, you also not? Viva, log out and log in again.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, Niva. Niva, now tell me.
Yes.
Now I'm visible to you.
I have joined from other device, so you are visible on that device.
Okay, thank you. So do these two sums which are written here. 169 multiply by 53.
Not visible.
You also, Vedant, log out and log in again. Because this is the network issue from your side, my dear.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to write in. Ma'am, we have to
Ma'am,
write this in the notebook.
my voice.
Ma'am, we
Yes,
have to write
Rajvi.
this in the notebook.
Yes, Laksh, Moksh. Please open your notebook, write the heading multiplication, write the today's date, do these two sums. So before starting the division, I want to do that you children do these two sums in front of me in the class, and then we go to the next topic, which is division topic. Divit, I request you to please pay attention in the class.
Ma'am, I'll join.
Now it is visible to you?
No, ma'am, you can do the class with only by saying, please, ma'am, only one class.
What?
Ma'am, you can do the whole class by saying.
Then how you will, maths class is not possible by the just audible thing. You visible also should be there. Yes.
Ma'am, in which book we have to write?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Do
what?
solve these two sums in your notebook. Viva, can you see me now?
Ma'am, which sum?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
will write Vedant. I will write in the chat box. Moksh, can you write for Vedant in the chat box these two sums?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Write that he has to do some two multiplication sums. 524 multiplied by 62 and 169 multiplied by 53. Children, do it fast and tell me the answer. And please write, this is called what? We have learned, no? 5. This number is called what in multiplication? This is called what? Write their terms and answer in the multiplication. Who will tell me? Dania, will you tell me what is the answer in the multiplication called?
What we have to multiply?
Yes, ma'am.
Vedant, Moksh will write in the chat box. Dania, tell me what is the answer in the multiplication call?
Ma'am, it is 7,400.
No, the answer is called what in multiplication?
Answer is called that. I know I have recognized, but I'm not able to guess the name.
Product. The answer
Yeah,
in multiplication
product.
is called product. And this number is called what?
Product.
Mantra. Mantra, this number is called what? Vedant, you got Moksh has written the sums in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Please do that. Multiplier, yes.
Ma'am, right.
Multiplier. Big C. I will write the name here. Multiplier. And this is called what? Who will tell me? Yes, Jigar Singh. This number is called what?
Ma'am, multiplicand.
Multiplicand. Please don't ask from anyone. I request everyone to learn the terms used for these numbers. Multiplicand. Multiplicand. If you want, I write it neatly for you here. This is multiplicand. multiplier, and the answer is called product. And the second sum I'm writing here, 169 multiplied by 53. Please do these two sums and write the terms used for these numbers also. Do it little fast.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I've done the sum also and I've written the multiplicand and multiplier also.
Very good. So can you tell me how we will do the first sum?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 4 fours are, it will come 8.
4 4 the 8.
No, no,
Wow,
no.
very excellent.
16. Sorry.
16. So what will come here down?
6 and 1 will go up.
Next, you will not tell. Another child will tell me. Next will be tell by Vihan Dobaria. What will I do next, Vihan?
Then I will do 6 twos are.
6 2 ja. Then this 4 will not multiply by each number. He has done 4 4s are 16. Now 4 2s are.
I think I have first multiply by 6.
No, yes, that I want to bring into your notice. That is right that you are doing, but by this. But the method which I explain in the classes that you start from the ones place. Always start from the ones place, and the ones place will multiply all the numbers given in the multiplicand. Then take the tens place and multiply all the numbers this way.
Then the answer will be 9 if I add 1.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yours also method is correct, but what we are doing according to the NCRT, according to the CBSE, then we start always from ones.
Remember, but I have done both the sums with that only.
No, do it again. Okay.
ma'am,
Your answer is right also. Your answer will also come correct. Right, but do it with the method which I explain you. I want it in this way. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Ashmi.
ma'am, but you have given 62, not 64.
What? It was 62 before.
Yes.
Yeah, 62. Okay. So it is 2 4s are 8 and then 2 2s are 4. Then what will be the next? Divit will tell me. Let me check how much he is doing.
Ma'am, 20.
Wow, which number you are multiplying 20? 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Now which numbers will multiply? This 2 at the, yes, 5 2s are 10. Got it? Now what will come here? Next child, Rajvi Nakre will tell me. Rajvi, what will be the next step now? After this word, 2 has multiplied by all the numbers in the multiplicand. Now what will be the next step?
6 will multiply by all the upper numbers.
Yes. So first 6 will multiply by which number?
4.
Then what will be the answer?
24.
6 4s are 24. So I will write 24 here together.
No.
So how I will write 24?
2 will go up.
Where up to which number?
Up to 2.
And 4 will come where?
4 will come down by the 4.
And what will come here then?
Then like a multiplication sign.
Or 0 sign. Always write 0 here. Okay. Then next child will tell me, Viva, what will we do next?
Six twos are 16.
6 to the 16.
18.
6 to the
12.
12. And then 2 will be added. What will become? What will come now?
14.
14. So 1 will here and the 4 will come here. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Next will be tell by Dhyan Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
What will I do next?
It's Faiza.
What will be the answer? 6 5s are what? What will be the answer? 6 5s are?
It's Faiza, ma'am.
Huh? Yes. Taking too much time to learning the tables, my
Ma'am, I
dear.
can
You,
say.
Bhavya Sagar will tell me. Bhavya Sagar, 6 5s are what will come?
Ma'am, I know.
Fives are 30, ma'am.
Dhyan Dalal, but you taking Dhyan Patel, but you taking too much time.
Okay.
Okay, next time be on time. 6 5 are 30 plus 1, 31. Add them.
Ma'am, done.
Is the answer correct? Is the answer correct?
Okay, ma'am, I will check.
What is your first answer, Vedant?
Ma'am, the first answer is
Hmm.
12488.
No. 32488. It should be 32,488.
Ma'am,
Yes.
But ma'am, it's 12,488.
What?
It's the first multiplication sum answer is 12,488.
No, please
And
check
the
it. It is wrong.
Ma'am,
First answer should
ma'am,
be
yes, ma'am, that is
32,000.
right.
second is 8,097.
Let me check the second one. 8,957 is the second answer.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am,
Yes.
it's fine.
ma'am,
Please mute. Yes, Tej Kumar.
ma'am, but I am first taken 6 and 4.
What?
Ma'am, first I have taken 6 and 4. It is okay.
Your answer will come same, but please learn this method of multiplying first the ones place. I have explained in my last class. No. I want to multiply you first the ones place, then the tens place. Not the tens place first. Your answer will come correct. Your method is also right. But I want you to do in this way because your NCRT, your CBSE syllabus chose this one only.
Ma'am,
I'm not saying that your answer is wrong. Your answer will come right. Your method is also right.
ma'am, I forgot that I'm behind over here. I forgot that I think I was doing with 3 only first, but my mother said between when I was doing homework of multiplication, so to do with the second place.
My dear, that is in the state board, no, Gujarat board. There they learn from this way only, from the back. But in CBSE and NCRT, we learn from one's place. So always start the multiplication in one's place. Your method is right. I'm not saying your method is wrong. But when you check the CBSE pattern, when you check the NCRT pattern, the multiplication is given in this way.
Means I for Sunday I've done like that only. The second place.
So now you understood how to do?
Yes.
Mute your mic, please. Rajvi Nakre. Mute your mic, please. Okay. So first answer is 32,488 and this is the product. Answer in the multiplication is called product. Second answer is 8,957. This is also the product of second. So I'm going to erase the board now. Can I?
Yes.
Yes.
Now we are going to do division. Children, why we need to learn the division? Why we need to learn the division? क्यों पढ़ने की जरूरत पड़ती है division? Is it necessary? It is compulsory to learn.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am,
Why?
because it helps us in dividing.
When we
If we have,
divide,
if we have
When-
something and we have to give it to our friend or someone, so it helps us in that.
yes, if you have some chocolate, something with you, and you need to give them equally distribution to all the persons, then division is helpful for you, right? So division is the equal distribution. And what is the other method of division? Division, like we have learned, our multiplication is a repeated addition. So division is what?
Ma'am, repeated subtraction.
Repeated subtraction.
Ma'am, repeat the
Yes, repeated subtraction. Now, suppose this 18 chocolates you have, you need to divide it into the two people. How many the each person will get?
Ma'am, 9.
It will become 9 because 9 twos are 18. 9 twos are
9 to 18, that's why.
Very good. Now see, and this number,
also 18.
the number with the thing which we are dividing, 18 we are dividing, no? To the two persons. So the number which we are dividing is the dividend. D-I-V-I-D-E-N-D, dividend.
Then 2 is
Ma'am, then divisor.
2 is divisor. D-I-V-I-S-O-R. And 9, which is coming here, the quotient. Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T. And if something is remaining, then it will be
Ma'am, it is
remainder.
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 And when quotient is quotient, the
Quotient.
other
Yes,
answer of
answer is quotient. Answer of division is always called quotient. Yes? And
we can write
you can write.
write this.
You can write. But you please write under that only. My is looking like too untidy because I have not written in a proper way. I don't have much space. You write, like you can write 18 is the dividend. This way also you can write. And wait, I'll tell you.
Have to write or not?
Yes, right. 18
we have to write.
is 18 is the dividend in this. 2 is the divisor in this. 9 is the quotient, means the answer always in the dividend is called the quotient. Everyone write. And if something is remaining, that will be called the remainder.
Ma'am, we have to write.
Yes, please write it fast.
And I didn't hear what the term you said.
18 divided by 2 equals to 9. So in that 18 is a dividend, 2 is a divisor, 9 is a quotient. And if something is remaining, that will be the remainder. Can I erase it?
No.
Do it fast.
Yes, ma'am. You erase it.
Ma'am,
I am done.
we have to write this in the notebook.
Ma'am, please don't.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Done?
Ma'am, erase
Someone
it.
is showing me. Viva is showing me something. Yes,
Ma'am,
Viva?
mine is left.
Yes. Okay. Now I want to tell you some properties of division. Children, if we divide any number by 1, for example, if you have 18 chocolates, you need to distribute to one person only. So what will be your answer? That one person will get how many chocolates?
Ma'am, 80.
Yes. Vedant, listen
No,
the
ma'am,
question.
no, ma'am. No, ma'am,
Yeah.
no, ma'am.
Listen carefully, then turn on your mic. So if any number, whether it is a 3-digit number, whether it is a 4-digit number, 5-digit number, if that number is dividing by 1, so Kevian, you tell me what will be the answer? If I say 1240 divided by 1, what will be the answer?
The same.
What will be the same? Tell me now what answer? 1240. 1240 is the answer. Got it? Mantra, you got it? If any number divided by 1, what will be the answer?
And the question.
Same number. Same name. Same number.
Yes. If now my next question is, if any number divided by the same number, for example, 685 divided by 685 means you have 685 chocolates, or you have 685 seats in your school, in your classroom. 685 seats occupied by the 685 students. So how much each child got?
One.
Yes, one seat. Yes, if any number divided by the same number, the answer is 1. If 0 is divided by any number, what will be the answer?
Zero.
Very good. Now, I give you one division sum also. First we do. Okay, can I erase it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Vedant, if you're still facing the problem of looking at the board, you just log out and log in again quickly. Because now what I will write, you need to see it. Then only you will understand.
Yes, ma'am. Erase it.
Children, now if any number divided by 10, for example, if 47 divided by 10, you can do this number division by directly also. How? Before going to the long method, right, it takes time. But the numbers which is having zeros at the back, you can directly divide them also. It's a 10. Having how many zeros at the back? How many zeros are there with the 10? One. So what you do,
Problem.
now you can see.
No, ma'am, I'm still facing that problem.
Okay, from next time, please check your network problem, right? Otherwise, in maths class, if you face some difficulty, you will face the problem.
Okay.
Mute yourself, please. 47 divided by 10. So 10 is having 1 0. So how we can write the direct answer of this? We take the 1 digit from the dividend. Right? We take the your answer is the quotient. Remainder. This will come. 2 things only will come. And this you know is a dividend. This you know is a divisor. So from dividend, divisor is having 1 0. So from dividend, take the 1 value which is at the last place, means 1's place, as the remainder, and the remaining number of digits will be your quotient. Will be your quotient. Got it, Dania? Please mute your mic. Got it, children?
Yes.
This is having 1 0. So 1 digit from the back will go as the remainder and remaining digit will go as the quotient. For example, if this sum is having, you don't need to write, just need to understand. For example, if any sum is having like 1, 2, 8, 9, this much number of digits, you need to divide it with the 10. So what will be the quotient and what will be the remainder in this? Can you directly tell me now? Who will tell me? Raise your virtual hand. Tej Kumar, can you tell me what will be the quotient and what will be the remainder? There is 1 0. Yeah.
9 will be remainder and
128 will be your quotient. Remaining digits, जितने भी बाकी बची हैं, will be your quotient. And only why one digit from the back is remainder? Because there is only 1 0. Suppose if we dividing any number by the 100. Suppose now same numbers are divided. Yes, now 80.
now 18 and 9 will be
Yes,
the
ma'am. And then 12 question.
Got it? Same. If number dividing by 1000, then 3
Ma'am, the
digits
quotient
from-
will be 1 and the remainder will be 289.
289.
Got it? This you
Yes.
everyone got how to do it?
Yes,
Okay.
it is really easy.
Yes. Because this is the direct you can do it. Now I'm giving you one sum to divide it. 72,845 is your dividend and 9 is your divisor. So now one by one you children only tell me.
Ma'am, we have to write in notebook.
Yes. Moksh, you tell me we start from how? 9. In 9 table is 7 coming.
No, ma'am.
So what we will take now?
Ma'am, we will take 10,000 and 1,000 together.
Both together, right?
Ma'am,
Yes.
72.
So either 72 or less than 72 is coming in the table of 9. Vedant, you please mute yourself.
Yes.
If you want to give the answer, please write in the chat box, Vedant.
Yes, ma'am.
What is 72 coming in the table of 9? How many times it is coming?
Ma'am, it's a
Very good. 9 8s are 72. Next step is to subtract. Then we bring down the 8. Now, when we bring down the number and which is not matching with the divisor, what we will do here? We write 0 here. 9 zeros are 0. Then, again we do subtraction. 8 will come. Please, Nishwa, I request you to write when I am doing something on the board.
ma'am, the sum is 728 divided by
72,845 divided by 9.
72,000.
Yes. Now the 4 will come down. And 84 or less than 84 is coming in the table of 9, Vishruth.
Ma'am, no.
What will
Ma'am, we have to also draw the line.
72.
No, 81 coming. No, 9 9 81.
Ma'am, we have to also draw the arrows.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
what is that?
I cannot hear because I have some network issue.
No problem. Just check from the board now.
Okay.
When you subtract, it is 3 0. Now you bring down the 4 down. In table of 9, either 35 or less than 35 is coming. Manya?
Ma'am,
Manya or Danya?
Manya.
30.
Ma'am, 27.
How many times?
9 3s are.
Ma'am,
So I will write here it's 27. Now when I subtract,
ma'am,
what will be the answer? 35 minus 27. Very good. I don't have a space. I am writing here, but you do lengthwise only. So what is the quotient in this?
8.
893.
893.
8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8.
It's 800 or it's 8,000?
93 and the remainder is 8.
My dear, please learn to how to read the numbers. 8,093 and the remainder is only 8. Please do this fast. And then I will tell you how to check your answer, whether it is correct or not. You can also check your answer by your own, whether your division sum is right or wrong.
Ma'am, we have to
Ma'am,
write.
we have to cross 5 and write 15, or we have to only write 8.
It's up to you. It's up to you. You can directly do. You can do directly.
Ma'am, you have done something square. You have written 0 at 5. You have to write that.
7. This is 15 minus 7 is 8 and 2 minus 2 is 0.
Oh, we have to write at the down of that side.
Yeah, you write it down. I don't have space, so I have written here.
Ma'am, we have to write Q and R.
Yes, quotient is the Q is the short form of quotient. R is the short form of remainder.
Ma'am, we have to write full or short.
It's up to you. Better you write full so that you can learn the spellings. After you confident with the spelling, then you can write the short also. Both are correct, but you should know the proper spelling also. Please do it fast so that I can tell you how to check your answer also. And in division, always remember in the word problem also, when it is given for many and you need to find out for one, you always do division. For example, the cost of many item is given, right? 10 pens, 10 pen cost is 400. What is the cost of 1 pen? Children, if I ask, cost of 10 pen is 400, what is the cost of 1 pen?
4 rupees.
Just check.
Ma'am,
10 pen costs 400. What is the cost of 1 pen?
4 rupees.
How? Rajiv Nakre, just now I tell 10 is having 1 0. So you remove the 1 digit from the back as
40.
yes. 40.
40.
Vedan, it depends on you. Just I'm verbally explaining. Now I'm going to erase this. Be little fast.
Done.
Not only 40, you can say 40 rupees. If you don't write the proper unit with the sum, your answer will be wrong. It will be 40 rupees. 40 is what? I can understand as a 40 kg, 40 kilometer, 40 meter. But if you don't write proper unit with that, that it is rupees 40, then only I come to know that you are talking about the 40.
Okay, miss.
I'm going to erase this now. Now, I want to tell you that you got the question, this, remainder, this. Now, how to check your answer? Write it in the notebook, how to check the answer. I know that I'll take 1 or 2 minutes. Check the answer. Dividend equals to divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder. For spelling of quotient and remainder, I am writing the short form. If you write the full form, write the full spelling also, that is also right.
Ma'am, we
Ma'am,
have
we have to write this dividend is equal to.
Yes, this is the check method of your division sums. How you can check your answers. Dividend.
that check you have written.
Yes, Vaihan. Dividend equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So here was your dividend was 72,845 equals to your divisor was 9. Your quotient is 8,093 and your remainder is 8. So when you solve this, when you multiply the divisor with the quotient and you add the remainder, it should come same as your dividend. Means your before equal to digits and after equal to digit, your answer should come same. Yes, Kevian, please drink. If you multiply this 8,093, when you multiply it by the 9, whatever the answer comes, when you add 8 in that, it should come similar to this answer, your dividend. If it is not coming same to the dividend, means your answer is wrong. Means you need to check your division sum again. Got it? So please, you need to write this. Yes, you need to multiply it also. After the class gets over, you multiply this, get the answer, add the 8 in that, and please check.
Ma'am, we have to write 701.
Tej Kumar, it's a part of the sum. If you write incomplete answer, then how? Why are you asking on the step and step that we do? We write. Yes, it's a part of your question. It's a part of your sum. You need to write. Once you write but you're not able to see, then how you will understand Vedant? Okay, tomorrow ask me in the next class again once you're able to see and write. Okay, dividend equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Dividend is this. Then 9 multiplied by 8093 plus 8 when you do your answer, whatever the answer by solving this should come as same as your dividend. If it is not coming same as your dividend, then your division is wrong. Then you need to do the division sum again. Got it? So you multiply this, add the 8, find the answer, whether it is coming same or not, and check whether your answer is right or wrong. Got it?
Amen.
You will get the word problem also based on the division. Try to understand the language of the word problems, because in word problems, in division sum, when you have for many and you need to find out for one, you will divide. And it is compulsory to write the statement in the word problem. Statement is given in the questions only. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to send you the worksheet based on division sum, based on division facts, based on word problems. So you need to do it, complete it today. Thank you.